Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima Prestige espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do just a tune-up. This machine was on storage for a while and some of the parts were completely clogged. So we ran a little bit of citric acid through the entire system, unclogging a few parts, especially the two-way valve that was located right here. It was not letting the machine prime or do anything. And if the machine doesn't prime, it will just not do anything in order to protect itself because it needs water to run through the system, otherwise it will overheat. So in order to protect itself, the machine was not doing anything because there was no water being detected through the system. So we unclogged the two-way valve, let the water run through the entire system, got some citric acid inside of it, and clean up everything from the brew unit, from the spouts, the topper spouts, and as well parts of the grinder. So yeah, that's what we did with this beautiful machine. Now starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing everything at once. We're going to be testing the carafe. We do not have milk, but we do have milk cleaner, which we'll be able to see frothing come from the carafe. Then we're going to be testing the hot water, the spouts of the coffee side, as the machine will start brewing the espresso shot once it finishes doing the frothing. Now the thermoblock is getting hot. It's gonna push some steam coming out from the two-way valve. That two-way valve is gonna open and it's gonna do a siphon. It's gonna siphon the liquid coming out from the carafe into the cup. If this was milk, this is exactly how you would see it. A little bit more thicker and a better flow because we're using water and it's at room temperature. Gonna stop right here because otherwise it's too much for our cup. And then I'm gonna put my espresso shot cup. There you go, a little bit of pre-infusion and then the nice beautiful flow coming out from the spouts. Excellent color on that espresso. We're using fresh beans as well, so we got a nice beautiful shot of espresso. Grinder can still be adjusted, but we're gonna leave it as is producing a nice beautiful cup with excellent crema on the top. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima Prestige working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.